after souls have been won. And what we are doing now, most of the time, since we started as the discipleship, we are discipling ourselves. And we are not discipling you, we are discipling ourselves. Do you understand? Because we are also learning. We are also learning. And we are learning to be good citizens of the kingdom. To disciple kingdom citizens to become kingdom-minded. There are a lot of kingdom citizens who are Christians, but they are not kingdom-minded. They don't understand, they don't really know what the kingdom business is about, and what it is being a child of God really entails, and what it means. And so it is our duty to disciple ourselves so that we will become kingdom-minded citizens, and to know and to understand and to practice our rights and responsibilities as God's children. So, being a kingdom citizen, you have rights and you have responsibilities. Being a British citizen, you have rights and you have responsibilities. So, kingdom citizens have rights and responsibilities. You have a right to good health. You have a right to long life. You have a right to prosperity. You have a right to victory over your enemies. You have a right. It is your right. But if you do not know these rights, or you don't know how to exercise these rights, you might be a child of God, but you might be walking in sickness, in trouble, in difficulty, and all that. But if you are a kingdom citizen, then your authority is from above. Jesus said that my kingdom, when Pilate asked Jesus that you say you are a king, or he said they say you are a king. Which kingdom? Which is your kingdom? He says my kingdom.